To construct a convex quadrilateral, which of the following cases is not correct? 3 angles and 2 adjacent sides. Right, let's say A, B, C, D. Let's say we know this, and we know this angle, and this angle. Can we construct this quadrilateral? Yes, we can. How will we do this? We'll construct triangle ABC first. We'll mark out AB, mark angle ABX, draw an arc, locate C. So we've located A, B, and C. This we know, this we know. Then we know the angle at C. We'll draw a line for that. We can find out the angle at A. We'll draw a line for that. Wherever these two meet, that will be D. This angle will meet. Right? So this is correct. If lengths of 2 sides and 2 included angles are given, 2 sides and 2 included angles are given, this is doubtful because we have only 4 metrics. Let's think about this, and then we'll come back to this. If lengths of 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, A, B, C, D, all of this we know. Let's say we know A, C. Again, start with a triangle. We know this, we know this, we know this. We can construct triangle ADC. And then we know this is already there. We can construct triangle ABC. Both can be done. This is sufficient. Now let's think about D, then we'll come back to B. 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So we have A, B, C, D. So we know AC, we know BD, and let's say we know these 3. Now what will we do? Again, think triangles. We know AB, BC, and CA. Let's construct that. AB, BC, CA. Wonderful. Now we know AB, BD, AD. From A, mark out AD. From B, mark out BD. Now we can construct triangle ABD. We have located D, join DC, we are done. So 2 sides and 2 diagonals, 3 sides and 2 diagonals, this is also correct. So this can be done, this can be done, this can be done. 2 sides and 2 included angles. We have only 4 metrics. We need at least 5 to be good. 10B does not work. That's a choice we are looking to mark.